Good morning, everybody. My name is Laura Bustamante, and I'm the Policy and Campaigns Manager with the New Jersey Alliance for Immigrant Justice. We are the largest state immigration coalition fighting for policies to empower and protect immigrants. As many of my colleagues here have stated today, the FAIR Act isn't just a bill about car insurance. It's about economic justice for our Black and brown communities. This bill would make auto insurance rates fair and equitable once and for all drivers. Currently, Black and Latino drivers are being unfairly overcharged for their car insurance. It's not enough to ensure that immigrants can obtain driver's license. We also need to ensure that they aren't overcharged for auto insurance. We urge our New Jersey legislators to reverse decades of unjust policies that keep countless drivers from enjoying the prosperity they deserve. Though it's been said many times before, it bears repeating. New Jersey is one of the most diverse states in the nation. Nearly 1 in 2 New Jerseyans is a person of color. Almost a quarter of us are foreign born. Over 40% of New Jersey kids live with an immigrant parent. These are not overnight changes. They are long-term trends that are projected to continue into our future. If the state is looking to make wise use of the dollars and invest in public programs, like the Driver's License for All program, it must do more to make driving in New Jersey equitable for all our drivers. We know that by allowing companies to use education, occupation, credit scores, marital status, and home ownership status in pricing auto insurance single-handedly puts our communities at a disadvantage. It is imperative that we talk about who these factors impact the most. Drivers living in predominantly Black and Latino zip codes in New Jersey pay 139% of the statewide premium average of $1,459 for a 35-year-old driver with a clean driving record and other standardized characteristics. These factors are a double-edged sword for our communities, historically haven't been able to obtain credit scores or have a lower income compared to white drivers. It is unfair to charge a janitor with no credit who just obtained his license under the Driver's License for All program with a perfect driving record more for auto insurance than a doctor with a poor driving record. Under the current system, they have to pay more for auto insurance while earning less. The state's existing and low-cost programs are not having its intended effect, simply because the state isn't doing enough to ensure economic justice across the state for all of its drivers. This is why we are calling on DOPI to eliminate these racist and unjust factors to auto insurance rates that negatively impact our communities every day and are not reflective of the diversity of our state and our values, which is to be a more fair and welcoming state.